channel Basic Home Baking by Myrna. I hope by now you have liked and subscribed, so I'll be more inspired to give you a new yummy recipe every time. Christmas is fast approaching, so this episode is going to be the start of our Christmas special. We're going to start with Christmas goodies. So today, I'm going to teach you how to make one delicious snack or dessert, the polvoron. Polvoron is a Filipino milk candy made of toasted flour, powdered milk, sugar, and butter. It comes in different flavors, but today I'm going to teach you 4 different flavors. The polvoron with Pinipig, polvoron with Oreo, the chocolate polvoron, and the polvoron with walnuts. This polvoron can be great as gifts to your loved ones during the holiday season. So let's start. The ingredients are 3 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 cup of powdered milk. You can use full cream powdered milk or skimmed milk. 1 1/2 cup of melted butter, 1 cup of white sugar. For the flavorings, we have 4 flavors: powdered cocoa, the crushed Oreo, toasted Pinipig, and walnuts. We also have our wrappers here and the molders. Okay, we're going to start mixing. We're going to toast the flour. Toast this until light brown in color over medium heat. This is done. Look, it's light brown in color. Toasted flour. This is the toasted flour. Then we're going to mix the sugar. And then we add the melted butter. If no flavoring, you can just use 1 cup. But since we're going to add flavoring, we're going to use 1 1/2 cup of butter. And the powdered milk. And we're going to divide this into 4. You can add the powdered milk first before the butter. Mix properly. We're going to divide this into 4 flavors. going to add the Oreo, the chocolate powder, the walnuts, and the Pinipig. Mix. The Oreo. Pinipig. We're going to do the Oreo like this. Using the mold, you press it and then release. There. Then let's try the chocolate one. Let's try the smaller one. The round one. The Oreo. Let's try the two other flavors. The Pinipig. The walnut. Small one. You can try different flavors, different nuts, or you can dip this to a melted chocolate. There, that's how you do it. We're going to finish this. Now, 4 flavors of polvoron: the chocolate, the Oreo, the walnut, and the Pinipig. We're going to chill this for 3 to 5 minutes before we wrap. Okay, we're going to wrap this polvoron. For the small ones, chocolate, the Oreo, the walnut, and the Pinipig. There you have it, my polvoron, with 4 flavors, the Oreo, the chocolate, the walnut, and the Pinipig. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you on my next episode. Enjoy!